You want to lay down with people who ain't got their stuff together. You want to lay down with people who are indoctrinated by street politics and by Sexy Red and Cardi B, and they live off of the ratchet principles of a nutty bar, then go ahead, be my guest. And this is what you're going to continue to get. Sorry.
You need people like me. You need people like me so you can point your fucking fingers.
A lot of you fellas got the IQ of a peanut brittle Mr. Goodbar. Like, I don't know if it's you got a line of peanut butter and jelly sandwich crumbs laying across your countertop, and then you just take a yoo-hoo straw and intravenously inhale it. I don't know what the hell is going on with y'all, man, but y'all keep on getting involved with these females that don't have nothing going other than the fact that they look good. They got a nice body and they know how to throw it back. That's it. Their mindset. It's caramel extract. Is just nothing there. This orange head, whatever you want to call her, Jerry Springer remix, Ice Spice ×3. She gets on what else? TikTok, man. She's going on and on about how she lost her kids. Oh, she went over to the guy's house. She went over to their property. They got into it. They jumped her. They beat her up. They held her to the ground. The kid assaulted her. She got bruises and marks left on her face. In defense, she unholsters a weapon from her person. They struggle with it. Shots go off as they struggle with it. Long story short, CPS takes her kids from her. She's pissed because she feels as if she's the victim here. She really feels like this isn't her fault. Let's do this. Let's go into a time machine and set the scenario. Why were you over there in the first place? Who invited you? What's your relationship like with the man and the woman already prior to you ending up over there? Did he Uber you over there? Did he pick you up and drive you over there? Or did you get into a vehicle or some form of transportation and go there yourself? You went over there with some type of intentions. Of course, women like to leave out certain things, and that's how we end up getting people innocently killed and locked up. So this happens. Now I have another question. Why did you lay down with this brother if he's a part of your family? You had children with him. Why? Oh, let me guess. Because he's 6'5" and you're 5'3". You women and this height requirement is so exhausting. Y'all want that guy. When you get him, you end up being a single parent. And you go resentment and anger. You take it out on the kids and you take it out on everybody else that's associated with him by default. Because you never learned how to regulate your emotions. Just be honest here. So you took yourself over there.
Stop it. Get to
I can see someone along with just willingly picking you up and then bringing you to their personal space. And you got a gun on you. So you took a gun over there on top of going there. You had every intentions on doing something that you shouldn't have been doing. You should have kept your ass at home, and you should have kept your legs closed. Then you would be in the position that you're in. I don't understand y'all. The men for finding this shit exciting just because these bitches is hood and ghetto and they loud and they feisty. That don't make them a candidate for long-term relationships. But y'all just can't control yourself and shit at all ever. And now you're stuck with that. So this is on him as much as it's on her. But I love how she, just like the rest of them, always go to the internet and try to paint this narrative as if they ain't did nothing wrong. We know that you do shit. We can tell when you're lying and making up shit. I used to think like, man, I'm not going to just a judge person by them dyeing their hair and putting all that bread in their hair. I'm not going to do that. But more often than not, when I see these stupid, ridiculous stories, man, it be these chicks with red, purple, and blue hair. It be these long ass, always the same people. Maybe the algorithm is just shoving that shit out there and for everybody. That's what we see often. Ladies, man, don't y'all know that what you're doing and how you're moving is not conducive to a healthy parenting relationship? It's not even healthy to yourself. I don't know, man. This shit is sad though. Now you got to fight to try to get your kids back. You angry because a whole bunch of they got cameras, check the cameras and all that. Well, you still shouldn't have went over there. I know there's a lot of pieces missing from here. Best of luck to you all, though.
Merry Christmas, filthy animals. And a Happy New Year.